Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is 2-hydroxymethyl tetrahydrofuran, a THF ring bearing a CH2OH group at C2. Moving on to the next step. Under acid and heat, the primary alcohol, CH2OH, is protonated and the molecule undergoes an intramolecular ring opening ring expansion. The oxygen of the THF ring acts as a nucleophile or the hydroxyl acts as a leaving group. The 5-membered ring opens to give a carbocation or oxocarbenium intermediate, which then recycles. Specifically, protonation of the hydroxyl gives a primary carbocation-like species. The ring oxygen attacks in an SN1 fashion, opening the THF and closing a 6-membered ring. This ring expansion converts the 5-membered cyclic ether, THF derivative, into dihydropyran or an oxocarbenium ion intermediate, tetrahydropyrenyl cation at C1, an oxocarbenium ion. The product A is 3,4-dihydro-2H-pyran, DHP, formed by elimination, or more precisely a tetrahydropyrenyl cation. Moving on to the next step. The intermediate A, dihydropyran or the cyclic oxocarbenium ion, reacts with ROH under acid catalysis. Dihydropyran 3,4-dihydro-2H-pyran reacts with an alcohol ROH under acid catalysis to give 2-alkoxytetrahydropyran as the major product. This is electrophilic addition of ROH across the enol ether double bond. The proton adds to C3, Markovnikov, since C2 is stabilized as oxocarbenium, and Rho adds to C2 giving 2 or tetrahydropyran. And for the final step, A, 3 or tetrahydropyran would require anti-Markovnikov addition, which is not favored under acid catalysis. C, this would be the starting enol ether, DHP plus or, not the addition product. D, a peroxy linkage is not formed under these conditions. The major product B is 2-alkoxytetrahydropyran, tetrahydropyran with or at C2, which corresponds to option B. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.